Kasi kung sa habi-labi namin tumibig,
You're not
mahal
here, the
to
sun
as
don't
in.
shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, our hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. And today guys, day off ko na. Start of my day off and I just got back home from the work. Technically, hindi from work. Kasi guys, lumabas na kami. Nag-run na kami ng errands. Nakalimutan ko mag-take ng videos kasi dapat wala akong balak talaga na mag-vlog for today. Pero yung ginawa lang namin is pinuntahan namin yung ka-meet up namin. Pumunta kami sa address yung ka-meet up namin para dun sa binilhan namin ng Christmas tree. Kasi guys, bumili kami ng Christmas tree from Marketplace. Sana maganda siya kasi hindi na siya makita na, alam mo yun, na kung maganda ba yung itsura. Parang yung pinost lang niya na picture, matanda kasi yung nagbebenta, matandang babae. Yung pinost lang niya na picture is parang yung picture from last Christmas. So, hayaan mo na. Magkano lang naman siya? $30 for the 7 feet na Christmas tree. Ayan. Kasi guys, pumunta kaming Hobby-Lobby. Ang mahal ng mga Christmas tree. Tapos, may mga pina-pick up din ako kay Mac kahapon na mga Christmas wreath. Pero yung isa dito is parang i-edit ko pa kasi hindi siya pasok sa theme na gusto ko ngayong Pasko. And then, napunta kaming DMV kasi we need to change our address. Kasi nga, nag-move na kami ng apartment. Kaya ito yung downside ng pag-move, guys. Kapag nag-move ka, ang dami mong i-address sa mga, i-change na mga address like bank address, mga ganyan. Madami mga health insurance. Tapos, ang DMV or the driver's license, you need to change it within 30 days. So, pumunta na kami kanina. And for us na may green card na, ang hinanap lang is green card and yung driver's license. Pero kapag yung mga H1B, may hinanap sila eh. Kasi sila love, nagpa-change na rin sila ng address. May hinanap sila na something for H1B na document. Tsaka passport yung sa kanila. Tapos, naka-change na rin kasi yung apelyido ko into my married family name. So, dinala ko na lang din yung passport ko para wala masyadong problema. So, yun. Naging okay naman. So, guys, ayusin na natin dito sa sala. Kasi itong recliner chair, balak namin tanggalin dito para dito sa corner na ito ilalagay yung Christmas tree. Pero itong Christmas tree, guys, ipuput up lang namin pero wala pa siyang decoration. So, we'll do it in a different vlog na lang siguro. We'll go to Hobby-Lobby or any other places pa, buy online para sa mga ornaments, ganyan. Para dahan-dahan, hindi yung minsan ng bagsakan para sa ating Christmas tree. Guys, ito yung mga pina-pick up ko kay Mac kahapon sa Marketplace. Dito lang din sa town. Pero ito, each is just $5. So, ang ganda niya, guys. Kasi kung sa Hobby-Lobby namin to bibilhin, mahal to. As in, yung wreath pa lang mismo, yung mismong green pa lang niya, mahal na yan. Tapos ito, may complete na siya. Tapos, tingnan mo sa ilalim, ganyan. Eto, medyo pasok siya sa gusto ko. Kasi parang gusto ko ngayon, hindi yung super makulay na Christmas decor. Pero ito, gusto kong palitan yan. So, baka iibahin ko to. Ayan. So, we just got 2 wreaths para sa front door tsaka sa back door. And then, dito na area, dito namin ilalagay yung Christmas tree.
The river flows one direction, and fishes, they follow the flow. But what if one tried to mention that there was much more to explore? Here I am, I have a plan, I'm living free, don't know where I'll end. Here I am, I have a plan, I'm living free, don't know where I'll end. dragonfly heard the message. Darkness was home for the stars. It spread its wings to the surface. Bright colors set them apart. Here I am, I have a plan. I'm living free, don't know where I'll land. Here I am, I have a plan. I'm living free, don't know where I'll land.
May ano naman siya, mga BBE, gano'n.
Here I am, I have a plan. I'm living free, don't know where.
So, ayan na guys, na ayos ko na siya according to the codes. May codes pala kasi siya kasi individual branches lang kasi siya. So, may isa lang na nalagay si Mac, yung pinaka-top, I think. Oh my God, this is napakalaki nito. Hindi, pero okay lang. I will not complain kasi madaming tao ang may gusto ng napakalaki. Pero ako gusto ko sana yung skinny lang, yung payat lang na medyo mataas. Hindi yung ganyang kataas at ganito kalaki ng diameter. Oh my God. Na-overwhelmed na naman ako, sis. So, dito ilalagay yung mga branches niya, guys. Tapos may letters siya dyan. Tapos may letters din yung mga branches. So, simulan na natin. So guys, I am done sa pag-aayos ng aming Christmas tree. Pero matagal pa yan na puro ganyan lang siya. Wala pa kaming Christmas lights and wala pa kaming ornaments. Hindi ko alam kung kailan kami makakapag-decorate. Baka next month na. But anyway, yan lang. O kasi Halloween pa dito. But anyway, at least meron na kaming Christmas tree. So guys, magva-vacuum lang ako dito sa floor kasi may mga nahulog siya na mga strands niya. This is even taller than me. This is 7 feet in height. So, problema ngayon kung para dun sa tree topper namin. Di ba may upuan naman na pag-aanuhan. I'm so happy!
That's the joy that marketplace brings.
That's the joy of buying from marketplace.
To have growing pains, never come out the way you went in the same. Just as diamonds shine from pressure, babe. You don't know true love until your heart breaks. You're gonna have to hurt sometimes, so painful you can barely survive. Tired from the sleepless nights, you run out of your tears from all of the crying. This is what it means to have growing pains. Never come out the way you went in the same. Just as diamonds shine from pressure, babe. You don't know true love until your heart breaks.
Ay, hindi na siya mag-recline,
To see
sis.
your face, it shows me what you've been going through. You're lonely. Just waiting by your phone and hope he takes back all the things that he said. This is what it means to have grown. Never come out the way you went in the same. Just as diamonds shine from pressure, babe. You don't know true love until your heart breaks. Although it's no longer
naman po ang part ng ating vlog na mag-shoutout ako sa mga nag-comment po sa ating vlog na sending our balikbayan box and shopping for camping gears. Ayan. So, shoutout kay Renz Mia, HPT, Stella Marie's Vlog, Rosemary Sumulong, Nomi Milante, Ronnie Caberto, Ibrahim Hailil, Desi RN, Alan Manaloto. Ayan. Natawa ko kay Alan Manaloto. Sabi niya, mamukha po kayong buntis. Congrats mo kung totoo. Ignore my message kung di naman. Always watching yung vlog. Ganda din ng background. Natawa ko guys kasi ang laki ko na talaga. Sobrang, oh my God. Hindi ko na alam yung gagawin ko. Ang dami namin nakakain lagi. So, ayan. Hindi naman ako na-offend kasi accepted ko naman talagang lumaki talaga ako dito guys. Kaya medyo nag-iiba-iba na kami ng konti ng diet namin. Medyo kasi iba na ang nangyayari. So yun guys, thank you so much everyone for watching our videos and for supporting and for sharing our videos to your friends and families, and sobrang salamat po. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is Joy of Mia. Eh, sobrang salamat po sa mga nanood ng mga mini vlogs po namin sa Facebook. Ayan. Thank you everyone. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!
Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get